Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is an Antutu benchmark comparison between the Xiaomi Mi 8 against the Xiaomi Mi 9. So we have the Snapdragon 845 CPU going up against the new Snapdragon 855. Both of these phones have 6GB of RAM, and the rest of the specs you can see on the sides. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the Mi 9 finished first, and overall it scored a lot higher. As for the breakdown of the categories, the Mi 9 scored higher on every single category, and that's not really surprising. So that wraps it up for this Antutu benchmark comparison. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. There will also be camera comparisons, so make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.